Hello, good morning. I'm BABYSON Joseph. So today I'll be explaining the experiment number 1 of the web technology. The title is Simple Web Designs Using HTML, and the aim is to create a document that confirms the HTML standard and has the following elements. And the page is given, like for example, the page is supposed to be this way, and the code is here. And so when we start our experiment, the tabs will be given, and since this is the title tab, this thing will show the main title, which is the experiment 1. The main title is supposed to be this thing, the topmost bar that comes there, and then after that we have the whole thing is divided into 2 parts. One is the header and the other is the body, and in the body we have the div tab in which we give the heading. The heading h1 is given here as heading, and since h1 is known as the size, so h1 is the biggest thing, so that's why the heading 1 is given in h1 size. Then we open the h2, which is smaller than the first one, so for the subheading we use this. And then we have the paragraph tab, for which we start here, and then we copy the whole paragraph and put it there. So here we have the paragraph, and along with the paragraph, after the paragraph we have the div tab to give the external links and the internal links. To give the external links, we give the href function, and in the href function we give the link that is supposed to be displayed. And in the internal link also we give the same href function, for which we need the link to be displayed. And in the email address also we give the same thing. And in the div we give the phone link, for which the phone link has to be given. And in the img tab we give the src, in which we paste the URL of the image that has to be pasted. And then we close and we go to the second part of the page. And in the second part of the page, similarly we give the subheading parts, the subheadings. So in the second part of the experiment, we give the things in the order. Like for you, the UL stands for UL stands for unordered list, and the OL stands for the old tab stands for the ordered list. So as we see here, the first item, this is supposed to be in the unordered list because we only have the bullets here. So we have the unordered list here. The OL stands for the unordered list, and we present our unordered list and the ordered list as the given way. And on the third part of the experiment, we have a same paragraph. So after putting the subheadings, we place a paragraph there, and then after the paragraph we have to divide the row into, we have a column that has to be made. So for the table we use the border. The border gives the size of the border. Like here we have given 2, so the border size is 2. And then after that we have a row, the TD, in which the first row is divided into the number of columns and the given. And after that we have the row span, which is 4, which includes row 1, 2, 3 and 4 in the column 4. And similarly we have the row 2 and row 3, and we further divide all the given rows into the needed way. And then we close all the tabs, and then the last tab is the HTML tab that we close, and the program is here. So yeah, this is the program that the result, the output of the program that we have typed. And then we put the program in the simulator, and so here we check for the output. So so since we place the program in the simulator. The error is coming, but then this is not an error. This is just a warning that you have to convert the whole thing into the CSS program. But since the program, the first experiment is to do in HTML, we are doing it in HTML.
Okay.
Thank you.